Resilient Roots, Navigating Life's Storms. A young woman, estranged from her family and struggling with her identity, is forced to return to her rural hometown after a devastating storm destroys her family farm. Through the process of rebuilding both the land and her relationships, she discovers the strength of her roots and redefines what resilience truly means. Maya Thompson left her small hometown 5 years ago to chase her dreams in the city, leaving behind a strained relationship with her father, James, a stubborn but kind-hearted farmer. When a hurricane ravages her family's farm, Maya reluctantly returns home, intending only to help her younger brother, Ethan, and leave as soon as possible. However, rebuilding the farm proves more difficult than expected. Tensions rise between Maya and James as old wounds resurface. Maya struggles with the weight of her past choices while facing the pressure of saving the family's legacy. Along the way, she reconnects with her childhood best friend, Lucas, whose unwavering support reminds her of the strength she had forgotten within herself. As the family bands together to restore the farm, Maya learns that resilience isn't just about enduring hardships. It's about finding growth and strength through adversity. By rediscovering the power of family and community, Maya not only rebuilds the farm, but also repairs the broken bonds that have kept her from embracing her true self.